Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Mommy Teachings. Kids, do you love your grandmother? Say yes loudly. Does your grandmother tell you stories? Say yes if she does. What do you like to do with your grandmother? Play or listen to stories. Does your grandmother makes yummy food for you? Say yummy. Give a big smile if your grandmother hugs you. Now, clap your hands if you love spending time with your grandmother. Kids, let's learn about my grandmother. Let's start.
Chapter 3 My Grandmother. Ruchi, how do you address the mother of your father? Seema, I call her grandmother. Ruchi, where does your grandmother live? Seema, my grandmother lives with me. Ruchi, how old is your grandmother? Seema, my grandmother is 62 years old. Ruchi, do you love your grandmother? Beena, yes, I do. Ruchi, does she sometimes prepare food for you? Beena, yes, she do. Ruchi, is your grandmother smart and active? Beena, yes, she is. Ruchi, does she watch television? Beena, yes, she does. Ruchi, does she go for a walk with you? Beena, yes, she does.
Thanks for watching.